Welcome back, boys and girls. For those of you who would like to hear me read you the tornado text, here we go. Okay. Tornadoes. A tornado is a strong, dangerous, and destructive rotating column of air. All right, so for some of that vocabulary word, strong, strength, right? Dangerous, it's not safe. Destructive. Destructive means that it destroys things. So tornadoes tear apart things in its path. Rotating is when something's rotating, it's moving in a circular way, kind of like if we were to put you on a swing and twist you around on the swing and let you go, you would rotate backwards. And a column is kind of like a cylinder. A column is it's a cylinder, it's circular, and it's up and down, okay? It is usually in the form of a funnel shape and can destroy buildings and create tremendous damage as it moves across the ground. Tremendous meaning a lot, great, big damage. Tornadoes are one of the most powerful and violent types of weather. They can vary widely in size, which means some can be small, some can be big. Some may be just a few feet across, while others may be 2 miles wide. That's big. Their wind speeds can also vary greatly, from less than 110 miles per hour to more than 300 miles per hour. In the United States, there are more than 1,200 tornadoes each year, which is more than any other country in the world. They can happen at any time of the year, but are more likely to occur between May and June in the southern part of the United States. And then in the northern regions and upper Midwest areas of the United States, June and July are considered to be tornado season for them. Okay, so that is your guys' tornado text, okay? Some of you might have been hearing on the news there are some tornadoes going through in the southern United States right now. So that's the end of this video. I will put a slide on to the next one, or a link on the next one with directions. Please click on that link because I'm going to give you guys important directions on how we want you to fill these questions out. See you soon.